So Kevin, on campus, who has the best room?
I think Angie.
Who has the best room on campus?
Angie. I think Angie.
I'm here with Ari. Who has the best room on campus? Angie, of course. Who has the best room on campus?
Angie. I'm gonna definitely go with Angie.
Who do you think the best dorm is on campus?
Angie, of course.
Who has the best room on campus? I think Angie. Who got the best room on campus?
Angie.
We gotta see Angie room.
Everybody said Angie. Now we have to see.
We gotta see that.
She had 1K 4 days ago, and now she's at 2K right now.
2K.
So let's open up this room and see, man.
Hey guys, it's Angie. Welcome to my official 223 sophomore year room tour. 24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on? Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, I did not like the room at all. The colors, the floor, I did not like it. So I had to turn everything around, starting with the floor. After a very long time of decorations, mopping, cleaning, the room is finally ready.
Let's see.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around you, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and we turn that look together. Come here, 'cause it's love, hold you for a night.
So when you open my closet, I have my bags and I'm still sorting out my winter outfits. It recently just got cold, so I'm trying to put away the summer outfits and bring out the hoodies and cold weather outfits. This is where I put my clean stuff, towels, pajamas, and others. In here we have my sink and my monthly planner, which I didn't do yet because obviously I just moved back to the dorm. So now I'm trying to figure out what my schedule is actually going to look like this semester. This is where I keep all my hair stuff. Everything here, go here.
Girls want me, but like you, I want to know, I want to know. She be not this kind thing with tomato, moo moo. Oh no no. Not the little good things you do make me no 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 no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby come, oh girl I want make me this. I feel like making you, oh no no. I feel like making you, oh baby.